Hello everyone, welcome to Experts Prime Team YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about the Champions League match between Shakhtar Donetsk and Inter Milan. Shakhtar Donetsk will welcome Inter Milan to the Metalli Stadium on Tuesday, looking to pull off back-to-back victories in the Champions League. Luis Castro, that is Shakhtar Donetsk's head coach, traveled to the Spanish capital last week to face Real Madrid with a very depleted squad. However, he masterminded a quite brilliant 3-2 win over Real Madrid in the unfamiliar surroundings of an empty Alfredo Di Stefano training ground. Despite taking, we all know that Real Madrid is a very tough opponent to start the Champions League match with. Even Shakhtar didn't have 13 of their first team members. They have pulled off an historic win in Group B thanks to goals from Tete and Solomon. Now they will be looking to build on that historic win when they face of Inter Milan, another Series A giant. So, uh, coming to the team news for Shakhtar Donetsk, another two or three of their regular starters are not available for this match. The players like Ismaili, Konoplianga, Krivsto, Kovalengo, Moraes, these players are not available for Shakhtar Donetsk for this match also. So let's take a look at their starting 11. We think that after picking a historic win against Real Madrid, there is head coach may not tamper with the team. So we think that the same 11 who started against Real Madrid will start the match here also. So coming to the Shakhtar Donetsk team news, predicted lineup, we think that Trubin will be the one going to start as goalkeeper, just like last match. Kornienko, Kochelova, Dodo, and Bondar will be the four-man defense. Dodo on right back, Bondar and Kochelovo as center backs, and Kornienko on left back. Coming to the midfield section, coming to the midfield section, Cardozo, uh, Tete, Maicon, Antonio, and Maicon, Tete, Solomon, and Marlos. Along, this will be the five man who will be controlling the midfield, and Dentino will be the mono striker who will be leading the line of attack. So this is the team for predicted team lineup for Shakhtar Donetsk. Now let's take a look at Inter Milan. Inter Milan is actually under Conte. They are still evolving into a bigger team. Last match they have drawn. With Borussia Mönchengladbach. The final scoreline was 2-2. Borussia was almost picked up all 3 points there. However, 90th minute Romelu Lukaku equalizer snatched a last gasp of point for the Italians. Now, Inter will be very confident when coming to face the Shakhtar, as they haven't lost to the Ukrainian giants. They have met 4 times against Shakhtar. Every time Inter tasted the victory. At least they haven't lost any match against them. So let us take a look at the team news for Inter Milan. They will be traveling to Ukraine without Matthias Vecino, center midfielder, Milan Skriniar, center back, and Roberto Gagliardini, defensive midfield. So these 3 players are not available for Antonio Conte and Inter Milan for this clash against Shakhtar Donetsk. Now let's take a look at the predicted starting 11 for Inter Milan. So as usual, Handanovic will be the one going to start the match in goalkeeper position. D'Ambrosio, Ronaccio and Bastoni will form the center back positions. Hakimi and Darmian and Perisic will play in LMF and RMF position. Perisic will cover left midfield position while Darmian will play right midfield position. Two defensive or two center in center midfield role, Brozovic and Vidal will be the one going to start the match. In center midfield role, Brozovic and Vidal will be the one going to start the match. Eriksen will cover attacking midfielder role, while Romelu Lukaku and Lautaro Martinez will be the one going to play as strikers. So this is the predicted lineup for Inter Milan. Now let's take a look at the demo team for small leagues and other similar contest. Lukaku, Martinez and Eriksen is must pick from Inter Milan side. Now both team are expected to score here. So we suggest to pick an additional midfielder in place of defender. So Vidal, you can select from one among from Vidal, Brozovic and Perisic. Perisic is selected by more than 50% of Dream 11. However, we will be picking Brozovic. Darmian is playing in an advanced role. He is playing in right midfield position even if he was placed in defensive section of Dream 11. So he is also a good option. We will be picking Darmian along with D'Ambrosio and Bastoni. So this is the 7 players we have picked from Inter Milan who we think will perform better than others. So coming to the Shakhtar Donetsk team, Trubin will be the goalkeeper. Now you have 3 options here: Solomon, Marlos, Dentino. As you Dentino will be the sole striker. He will be the one leading the line in attack. However, we will be picking Solomon. He was very brilliant in the match against Real Madrid, and we think in this match also he will be performing better. We will be taking risk with, actually there are 2 players, Maicon and Antonio. Both of them are good choices. You can pick one among them. We will be going along with Maicon. So this is our demo team for tonight's SL League for the match between Inter Milan and Shakhtar Donetsk. For captain and vice captain option, you have 2 to 3 players: Lautaro Martinez, Romelu Lukaku, Eriksen, Solomon and Tete. We will be picking Lukaku and Lautaro Martinez. So this is our demo team for tonight's match. So we think and hope that all of you are subscribed to our channel. We need support from each and every one of you. We will be coming with all latest news and team tips in after the lineup is out. We will be give the replacement and all in our Prime application. So please subscribe the channel and join our Prime plans.